First Bank began providing banking services in Colorado in 1963. We operate over 115 locations across Colorado, Arizona, and California. First Bank is currently about $19 billion in assets. We are the largest locally owned bank in the state of Colorado. I work in the team that's focused on financial crimes and making sure that we prevent them. And so we had a lot of manual processes in place. As technologies had evolved, we were still relying on some older technologies.
When we first started looking at platforms, we had a very specific use case. We had a legacy workflow application that we needed to move off of, and we also had an anti-money laundering application that needed to be developed quickly. It needed to be scalable, and we needed to deploy in 12 weeks.
Banking has a lot of regulations and a lot of timeframes in which you need to accomplish certain things, and my team is not unique to having those timeframes. We are held to pretty high standards when it comes to complying with those timeframes. So that's why we really needed something that had more of a case management type of process.
The number of case investigations reviewed is anywhere from 350 to 500 cases per month. We would use spreadsheets to log all of our dispositions, all of our concerns. From there, we would then submit another report to create another case, manually document who we contacted.
We needed a better way to evaluate accounts and to monitor activity to make sure that we were finding things that would potentially be concerning. That's when we brought in the Appian system to really marry up some of the processes and procedures that we had with new technologies to make it easier for our workforce to do their job and maintain information in a secure manner.
Now with Appian, we have all of our information in a central location that is easily accessible by management and employees.
One thing that Appian has really helped us with is when we are going through an audit, we're able to give auditors read-only access to the system.
They're able to review that data quickly, easily, and have additional documentation retained within each case, which has made it a lot easier and faster.
Using the Appian platform, we were able to take an idea all the way through to deployment in 12 weeks to deliver a solution that would meet the business's needs. We have 3,000 users across the organization with about 20,000 logins per month. Over the last 12 months, we've created over 500,000 new process instances on Appian.
Our future plans really are to continue to evaluate where we can make enhancements across our enterprise, because we really want to empower our employees to use the right technologies to help them with their day-to-day work and really feel confident in the work that they do.